Dreaming of money rolling in while you sip your coffee? Automated income streams make it possible. Automated income means earning money without constantly working. It's like having a robot working for you 24/7, bringing in cash even while you sleep. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can seriously boost your financial freedom. Why automated income is awesome. More free time. Less time spent on tedious tasks means more time for your hobbies and passions. Scalability. Once set up, these income streams can grow without tons of extra effort from you. Less stress. Say goodbye to the constant pressure of a traditional job. Financial security. Diversifying your income protects you from unexpected financial setbacks. Ways to create your money-making machine. Here are some proven methods for creating automated income streams. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn a commission on each sale. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or other digital goods. Rental income. Rent out property, even a spare room on Airbnb. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. Print on demand. Design products and sell them online. A company prints and ships them for you. Getting started. Identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Choose your path. Select an automated income stream that aligns with your skills and interests. Build your system. Create your website, online course, or whatever is needed for your chosen method. Use the right tools. Software and automation tools can save you tons of time and effort. Start small. Think big. Begin with 1 or 2 income streams and scale as you grow. Common mistakes to avoid. Underestimating the initial work. Building an automated system takes time and effort upfront. Skipping research. Do your homework before jumping into a niche. Ignoring marketing. Even automated systems need promotion to attract customers. Walking away. Regular maintenance and updates are essential for long-term success. The world of work is changing. Automated income streams offer a path towards financial independence and a more fulfilling life. It takes dedication and effort, but the rewards are well worth it.